So today I want to show you how I would give extra box to colony if I have only foundation frames. Of course, it's way easier if you have them built, but I know that some of you just don't have it. And it's really good if you can do this if you actually have hot days in front. So if there is like cold days coming, maybe you want to wait a bit, but now you're gonna see. So I'm going to show you this colony, and then we are gonna do update video in like a week or so, just to show you if queen actually went up or not. So first, over here in the second frame, we do not have any eggs. So I'm putting that frame aside. And then here we have a bunch of larvae and one day old eggs, and this is perfect frame to take for top box. I'm going to explain you everything in a moment, but first I want to find two frames which have open brood. So this one could work. They are starting to exit, and over here on this side it's already like full of new larvae. I just want to see if we maybe have swarm cells. Now is 1 p.m, which means a lot of bees are outside of the hive. Usually this hive is like full of bees. And like you can see, this queen don't actually have space to lay more eggs. Alright, this is good frame. So all of this is full of larvae. Very nice frame of brood. This side as well. And over here is our queen, and this frame is full of eggs as well. Alright, so this cup brood I'm actually going to put aside. Other cup brood. So that means this part over here is brood. This part is open brood, which I told you I'm gonna take. Yes. And then I'm going to put one frame over here on this side. That open brood I'm gonna put over here. And this frame with open brood I'm gonna put over here. So I will actually, instead of this one frame which I showed you, I will actually remove that one frame and not put it, and instead I'm gonna put this frame which is over here, already built cone for the brood, drone brood, and over here is the one they can put even more. So I'm going to put that frame over here, and I'm gonna hope that they will actually start laying drone broods over here, because this queen is very aggressive and I don't like her, and I want to remove the drones. I need to remove this frame over here which have no brood in it. Put it over here. So now this is our bottom box, and what I did, I took two open brood frames and I'm gonna put it on top, and instead I put one foundation and I put one drone brood, but over here you can also put like one foundation if you want. Of course you might don't have those brood frames. And then over here on the top I'm going to put another one. And this is what we have right now, and reason why I put two open brood over here on the top is because apparently if you put open brood, that makes bees start to drone these frames faster. And another reason is that this actually makes the queen go on top faster as well, because she follow nurse bees, and where is open brood there is a lot of nurse bees, and she's supposed to go on the top faster. And now, since I don't actually need this many frames, so I have frame feeders, and because of that I just remove frames. But of course, if you have feeders on top, you don't need to do it. Not a lot of feed, only like 200, maybe 300 milliliters, and this should be it. So like I said, we're gonna do a checkup on this in 1 week, just to show you what happened. Alright, so let's see this hive where we put 10 foundation frames, and we removed 2 actually because of the feeder. If I remember correctly, she was supposed to be aggressive, so let's see what they did. I will go and look bottom frame first. And also bottom frame is very ruined, which means I will need to change it. I mean bottom box. So that top was very light. So how should we do this? I should probably remove all of this. So just because you will not see this box, we're gonna start from this frame and then go until the right side. Alright, so this is first frame. It's being built, but there is no eggs yet. This frame is not important, and this frame will need to go out this year. Third frame, and this frame has a bunch of eggs, and sadly over here I have a lot of pollen. So she's not laying on that frame. I really hate when they storage pollen in the middle. So over here, very nice frame. So then on this frame, bees are exiting, and I do not see any eggs in cells where bees exited. So that was middle frame. Then this frame, same thing. So nothing over here is being laid, which is kind of like making me think that she actually went on top. So I'm really curious to see what is on top. Another frame, bees started to exit. All of this is empty, and there is nothing showing me that queen was here recently. Then drone frame. I don't remember from the last video, but I think they built all of this. So all of this is full of drone cells. No eggs so far. Yep, no eggs so far. Second, they didn't build, but I like this one a lot. Now this is 8th frame. Nothing honestly to see. So I'll just put it over here. It doesn't matter if I change position or not. There is only like small amount of food over here, so no pollen, no nothing. Alright, so first box look very good, because I know that queen actually went up. So now, main question, does this box fit on this one? Because I had so much issue with last one. And guess what? It was top box as well. You see? I bought very bad boxes, and I don't know if you can see this. And all of them have huge issues, like yeah, it was just badly made, and now I need to replace all of them. So we're gonna remove this, and over here we are gonna go from this side and do the same. So same producer, but this box wasn't in use over winter, so it's a bit better, but Yeah, so first frame not used, second frame as well. Third frame is very nicely made, but I do not see eggs. And now is even a question, where the hell is queen, because I didn't saw any young eggs or larvae. So fourth frame, and over here we have full frame of larva. So all of this is with larva, and you can see some cupping over here. So very nice. So now this is the frame which we put on top. Soon they're gonna all hatch. Another frame which we put, and I do believe that they kind of started hatching. Alright, so over here we do have some cell, swarm cell. Alright, no eggs yet. Good. Another side, very good. And now I do believe we are supposed to see queen soon. So this is side with full, oh there is queen. So full frame of larva, a bit older here, over here very young. Another side as well. On this side are eggs. This queen here still. Yeah, she's in the middle. And then the last frame. Over here, all of this is full of brood. And another side which was inside as well. So whole frame full of eggs, not a single larva, it's all eggs. So maybe you need to see it on the sun. It's looking very good. So over here I have two older frames. They can still go for another season easily. They are not full dark, but the thing is, I'm going to take this frame and put it on this side, because this frame is full of brood, and that was last frame. And then those darker frames, which are once again not bad, I'll put on the last place. So this should be good. And that's it. So basically in those 10 days we have 3 full frames of brood. So we put this one is full of eggs and brood, this one is full, and this one is only little eggs. So we have like 9,000 of bees because of those extra 3 frames. Well, that's a lie. So it should be around, like, I don't know how much one frame have, like 6,000 I believe. So it should supposed to be then 18, but of course tops are not with brood, it's only with honey in some frames. So I do believe they did pretty well. If you enjoyed it, subscribe.